I will be working on a lot of brand identities, designing some of the packaging, so like how it will look in thumbnails, videos. So a lot of that work I'll be doing, and this is the kind of work that I wanted to do. I wanted to design different identities, work with different clients. I didn't have any formal education in graphic design. It was more self-taught, and I had learned UI UX before that, so I kind of got that job based on those skills. And like I had like my own project in graphic design, so I got my first job based off of that. And after a year of completing that job, I really felt like I wanted to upskill and like formally educate myself in graphic design. So that was my whole reason to join Ant Academy. How to do research, how to design for that particular target audience, and the campaign design, like all those primary things that come before the actual designing process starts. I think that is something I've taken back from this course, definitely. That's one of the main things I have enjoyed learning, and something new that I have found in design, and which is also making my design better. So, yeah. My favorite project and mentor was definitely, first of all, Gulshan ma'am. She was amazing to learn with, and the module was brand identity, designing like a whole brand identity. So my project was nice, like designing a sports event, and it was called Nice Soch. In that, actually, my mentor was Kaushiki. She really helped us with motion design as well. And yeah, I think I really found my love for brand identity from that module. I think I joined like 2 sessions, and I think I forgot to join the other ones. But I did go through the PPTs I was sent after, and like I took down notes. I definitely started being more active on LinkedIn after that. Those, like, I think the first 2 sessions only he mentioned to like start activating your LinkedIn. So I started becoming more active. I started posting all my projects on LinkedIn and like just explaining them. And I think from that also and then I started applying to jobs. I think that was like a whole domino effect of making myself more visible on LinkedIn. So yeah, what I learned from attending the classes was definitely helpful on how to articulate yourself, the elevator pitches. Also, the rounds were pretty easy to navigate through. I think I was just speaking from my heart and explaining who I am and my design and the kind of design that I want to do. I think that really helped me be less robotic and more personal to the company as well. The portfolio was one of the main things that was being asked and followed through in every single interview I had. And it was really nice to have different kinds of projects in my portfolio. Like even the first ones, like leaf project, pattern extraction, to like brochure making, print design for print, and campaign design. So having those vast types of projects kind of helped me get better opportunities as well. And even the motion project where I designed videos and added motion, that also was like it was really impressive to the companies. So that was really nice for them to see. And I think even for myself to learn those different kinds of design and the different usages of the design, I think that was the best part. Yeah, I think before I didn't used to like sit down and think about what the client is actually asking from us, making down notes, the 20 different logo ideas, for example. Like I just used to like go straight to the designing process. And I think after this, I first do all the primary work like research, keynote taking, ideation. So that all definitely is part of my process now. It's very intuitive at this point because we've been made to do it like so many times. So it's not like I even think about it at this point. I think that's how I start my entire process now. I think really just give your all to the process. I think trust the process. I know sometimes it can get very tolling. You might question, why are we doing this? Like, it's so much, it's not important, but it really is important, especially if you are looking to work in a professional setting. I think when they see that you have the ability to think that deeply and make all these processes and do all these different ideations, I think they also respect you as a designer for that. And I think that's something I would advise to the future learners.